Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series. You know that on parenting series I discuss different issues, different aspects related with parenting and relate it with our modern life, modern times. Today I will discuss another episode, and you know that I discuss my parenting series segregating on different stages, and I have discussed six parts of different stages of life, and today I will start part 7, that is post graduation level of a child. When a child enters on post graduation level, then what should be the techniques of their guardians for them. Today I'll discuss about this issue, and today my topics is a professional course. We know that there are a lot of professional course in our life, and now it is available in everywhere. You have to select perfect professional course for your boy, and there are a lot of courses. Now you have to prioritize and sort which course is suitable for your boy and girls and which is not suitable, because we find a lot of courses that hearing very much sound and nice, but they actually not have enough utility and potentiality in job market. Like I am giving example about MBA. We know that MBA course, Masters of Business Administration, is a very important and lucrative course for different organizations, especially corporate sectors. But in my country, there are a lot of MBA courses on different private universities, public universities. All courses have not same potentiality, same utility. So if you take a course from a university which have not enough potentiality, then it will only the wastage of time and wastage of money and also waste of energy, but it will not give you any benefit. So you have to select perfect professional course for you, and it will be related with your profession, expected profession. If you want to enter in a banking sector, you can do many courses related with banking rather than MBA if you have a master's degree. If you don't have a master's degree, then you can do MBA, but if you have already a master's degree, don't waste this time doing MBA. You can do MBM, Masters of Bank Management, or many courses like CDCS or CAMS, or many other courses available which are very much related with banking sector. And if you want to be a administration job or HR professional, human resource related officer, then you can do many jobs courses, PGD courses related with HR. So try to select perfect potential course, post graduation professional course for the betterment of your career. Don't take decision emotionally about this course, because if you take a decision about professional course emotionally, it will just wastage your time, wastage your money, and wastage your valuable time, and it will delay your career, because before completing you will not be able to engage in a profession. And if you want to be a self-employed person like entrepreneur or businessman, on that time you can take some practical experience. It will be better than doing a course. Like if you want to do some business, you may be engaged with some same type business. You may be employed on center. Like if you want to establish a buying house, you may work as a merchandiser for 2 to 3 years. It will give you better than any other courses. So you can consider also this. So today I am finishing my video. I think you get some idea that which type of professional courses you should select and which type of professional courses you should avoid. As a guardian, you have to give proper guideline that your money that your child is expensing is not wastage, and they can utilize their time properly, perfectly for their betterment and also the betterment of your family. So thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.